Hello everybody, welcome to Lab of Wonders. Do you love to dance? I love to dance. Can corns dance? Yes, corns can dance. With one experiment. The name of the experiment is Dancing Corns. But safety comes first. So we'll use these safety glasses. For this experiment, we'll need some vinegar, some corns, water, 2 spoons of baking soda, some color for fun, a spoon and a stick for stirring. First, we'll pour some corns in the water. Next, we'll put some color for fun. Now, let's put 2 spoons of baking soda. And stir it well. Can you see the corns aren't dancing yet? Now let's put 20 ml of vinegar. Look, the corns have started dancing. Now the party begins. Let's dance. La 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 la. Look, almost all corns are up. Do you know why this happened? Because when baking soda and vinegar mixed, it made a gas named carbon dioxide. And some bubbles are formed. The bubbles lift the corn up, and when the bubbles pop out, the corns fall down. This happens again and again, and this experiment is known as dancing corns.